Did you know a few small setting changes on your BRAVIA could cut your TV's energy use by around 38%? Here's how to find them all in one place. The Eco Dashboard is a central hub on Sony BRAVIA TVs, where you can access and adjust all your energy saving settings in one place. Think of it as your TV's sustainability control center. From your BRAVIA home screen, navigate to the icon that says Eco Dashboard and open it. Once you're in, here's what you'll find. Brightness control. This adjusts the screen brightness to suit your room. Ambient light sensor automatically reads the light in your room and optimizes brightness accordingly. Idle power off automatically turns the TV off after a set period of inactivity. And the power consumption indicator lets you see how much power your TV is actually using in real time. Turn on energy saving settings from the Eco Dashboard can reduce your TV's energy consumption by approximately 38% compared to default settings, without noticeably affecting your picture quality. It takes about 2 minutes to set up and you'll feel good every time you turn the TV on. Click the link in the description for more BRAVIA tips and subscribe for more.